So we finally got the 2025 Volkswagen Atlas in. So let's take a look and see how to reset the maintenance reminder. So the controls on the right, we will use the right arrow to scroll over and find the distance time. Press right on it, and then we will press and hold to the right for approximately 5 seconds, and that pulls up the service menu once released. So just scroll down to reset inspection and reset the oil change. Press OK. OK again to confirm. And then same thing, repeat it. Press and hold to the right for 5 seconds. Release it, and then scroll down to the next option. Press OK and reset. Notice that they kick you out of the menu now, which I'm not a huge fan of, but yeah, that's how you do it. So hope this was helpful, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.